back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
And today, we're gonna tour the National Corvette Museum. I'm excited.
If you would, go ahead and please push that subscribe button right over there. Give this video a big thumbs up and share these videos with your friends.
Before we even got inside the museum, there were Corvettes to be seen in the parking lot. They had a place for Corvette parking only.
If you're ever in Bowling Green, Kentucky, make sure you stop by the National Corvette Museum and see us.
The mission of the National Corvette Museum is to celebrate the Corvette's invention and preserve the legendary automobile's past, present, and future. The museum serves as an educational and research model for all to enjoy. The Corvette is America's sports car, and in this museum, you get to see how it all began. Seeing each of these cars was so interesting, and each one so unique. They had a theater where you could sit down and watch a short film.
Among the bluegrass of southern Kentucky, Bowling Green is mecca to thousands of Corvette owners. At the National Corvette Museum, vintage models assume an honored place in the hearts of visitors. Across the road is the assembly plant where the Corvette of today is built. Restoked and retooled for superior performance and style, Corvette is still among the most desired, most unique cars in the world.
How would you like to see gas prices like that today? I know we sure would. They had a whole section of the museum for Corvettes that had been used as race cars, and they had a lot of memorabilia displayed as well. If you love seeing Corvettes, this is the place to come. We particularly loved seeing the older model Corvettes that were on display. You could literally spend hours walking through this museum looking at all the cars and everything that they had on display. My favorite color is orange, so I love this car. The 1 millionth Corvette went down in the sinkhole in 2014. In next week's video, we'll give you more detail about how that sinkhole opened up and swallowed up the cars. Walking around the Sky Dome was amazing. It was lined with pictures of the Corvette Hall of Fame members, those who have supported the museum. Even the women and men's restroom followed the Corvette theme.
Welcome to the National Corvette Museum. If you come by, and make sure to stop and see us at the Stingray To Go, or to stop and see us at the Stingray Grill.
The to-go food and the sit-down restaurant all had the Corvette theme. They had the museum library, archive, conference center, and of course they had a Corvette store with everything you can imagine Corvette themed. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys, for the National Corvette Museum Tour. Wow, was it awesome.
Had a great time looking at all these vehicles. If you're ever in Bowling Green, Kentucky, you got to make sure you stop here and go through this museum. Enjoyed this video? Go ahead and press that subscribe button right down here. Give this video a big thumbs up and please share these videos with your friends.
We'll see you next time on Retired and Loving It. If you'd like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.